Hello! Today we are learning to scramble some eggs.
Hi, I'm Chef Scott Swartz from the Culinary Institute of America, and I'm going to show you this kitchen basic, how to scramble an egg.
Which I have never made before. So, it should be easy. It looks easy. Let's try it.
We're going to start today with white eggs.
I can't say I have any white eggs, but this one here looks fairly pale, but I would still class it as brown. And here we have a less pale brown.
I like to take my eggs and crack them on the counter as opposed to the edge of the bowl, because the edge of the bowl pushes the shell into the egg. So we're going to do 2 eggs scrambled today. I find I get a nice consistent mixture of my egg. What we're really looking for in this is just an even distribution of yolk and white.
Am I whisking good? Or are you cringing at my attempts? I haven't much experience in whisking, honestly. And I never know if I'm doing it right, or at least adequately.
Dormirse en la cama, darse prisa en tu alma, ratoncito en el club, no heroica, con Pau O'Malley, ratoncito le gusta danza cuando estudio en la escuela. Pajarita se cubre botín cuando visita a su abuela. Si necesita una amiga, debe hablar con un ratoncito. Si quieres ser mi amante, debe ser alta y delgadita. Lunes, martes, ratones, pez. Miércoles, jueves, todo. Lunes, martes, ratones, pez. Miércoles, jueves.
This does not look like a lot, actually. Is that done? I'm going to stop there.
So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on my pan onto high heat. For my scrambled eggs, I'm going to use a non-stick pan. And I'm going to add a little salt and pepper, but I don't add that until right before I'm ready to prepare the egg. I've got a little bit of whole butter. We're going to get our butter in the pan, and we just want our butter melted. All right? We're not looking for it to get browned on us, just a little bit melted and lightly coated, so that we get not only non-stick, but we get flavor from that butter.
Well, I forgot about my butter earlier, but I have some here. I'm not sure exactly how much to put on, but let's be generous. Wow, that looks pretty melted.
We'll add our eggs all at once. And then the key with making your scrambled eggs is constant movement. I want to stir them on a continual basis because I want the scrambled eggs to be in little pieces. I don't want one big flat piece. That would be an omelet, not a scrambled egg.
The eggs. Apparently we're supposed to keep moving. I'm not sure how long for. really get the feeling this is going wrong. So I'm not an expert at scrambled eggs, so maybe I'm wrong. So they're not looking exactly bright yellow like in the video, and I'm not thinking they're going to turn yellow while cooking. And he did say make sure they don't go brown, so I don't imagine I need to put it in here for much longer. Maybe they're done already. He didn't have it in the pan for very long at all. Mine was on very high heat. I think I had it on a bit too high. That butter was sizzling.
So as my scrambled eggs finish, I cook them to the doneness I like. I like keeping mine a little bit shiny and moist so they're not overcooked. Cooking your eggs until they're brown will simply make them a little bit overcooked. We want them to be nice and yellow and fully cooked at that stage.
Okay. Let's dump this on here. Oops. Okay. How's that for presentation? And now it's time for the taste test. Let's see how I did. As with my cheesy omelette video, it tastes like egg. And now I can't say it tastes particularly pleasant, but I can't say it tastes bad either. It's just very plain tasting, like egg. Is it supposed to taste different from an omelette? I couldn't tell you. Perhaps it needs more seasoning, more pepper, more salt, something else perhaps. Or maybe this is exactly how it's supposed to taste. How would I know? I don't really eat scrambled eggs. The scrambled eggs that I have been like a sweet scrambled eggs with sugar in. I've never had really savoury scrambled eggs, so... I mean, it tastes fine, it's edible. I'm not throwing up from the egg. Did you think I went wrong somewhere? If you noticed any major mistakes in my scrambled egg making, then do tell me. But thank you for watching, and well, and do like and come back for more. I might go and get some toast with this actually. There, that's more like it. I think I went overboard with the sugar though. But I'm sure it will taste delicious. I'm going to pour it out of the bag. It is nearly Christmas.
Cuando visita su abuela, si necesita una amiga, debe hablar con un ratoncito, sí.